Some of you have been doing this update. So this update is going to start paying tomorrow, which is on the 20th. But normally they are to pay they are to this on the um 12 days. After 12 days is written here. After 12 days going to be fully launched. But from tomorrow you can withdraw some of the token there. Let me start with this. If you want to end turn, just have to hold it for like 1 minute. So you see it's counting here. Let me start again. You see, I'm earning dog, I'm earning not pizza, I'm earning bloom, I'm earning many things here. So you just have to hold it till it counts finish. Then getting price. I earn 5 bloom, 5 poor, 5 major, and so on. So it's going to be added to your balance like that. You click on it again to count finish. And that's it. Also 5555. For the next one, you also click on this activate now. This is the one, especially this one that is going to be released on the after 12 days, which is maybe January 1st or on the 31st of this December, one of the two. I'm not sure. You have to calculate it. That's when I'm going to know. So you click on this activate now. Just cancel this space. Just make sure you click on activate, then also hold it. You are just on a one step at the time. I think you should leave this for now. I don't understand you. So this is where you earn as much as you can. Imagine you just joining this tax now. You are going to be giving 50 USDT. Let us try it. Go ahead. I pray the network work fast. Yeah. Let us join. Let me create an account. So you can go back from here. I click on check and it is successful. See, it says it's already added to our balance. So you just have to do all the tax. Yeah, this is where all the tax is. Just have to do all the tax. And tomorrow the USDT will be, see, like this person now, you have 6,000 USDT. This one have 3,000 USDT. See 2,000. See, go down. Me, I think it's supposed to be more than this, but this space is going to be available for withdraw tomorrow. So as you are seeing this thing, go join now and do all the old tax. Do all the old tax so you can be available to withdraw tomorrow. Make sure you do all the old tax so you can withdraw tomorrow. I'm going to drop the link in the description box. Thanks for watching.